Hi, this is Lauren. You're watching Adventures with Lauren on the Travel Channel. It's gonna be my new intro. Haley and I are on a mission to visit all 50 states. Here's our progress. So I'm gonna show you Haley's first, and I'm gonna show you mine. And today, we are going to go to Vermont to check that off of our list. We're going to be driving 4.5 hours to get to Brattleboro, Vermont, which was the closest town to the border. It's really close to New Hampshire. It started off as a complete disaster, but then we started seeing all of the beauty Vermont had to offer. Then our trip took an unforeseen turn. So this is the snacks that we're going to be taking. That's going to be a snack bag. These are coupons to Subway because I have a gift card here and they're about to expire. So got some granola, chocolate, cookies, apples, granola bars. That should suffice for a weekend. Okay, so these are my essentials for this weekend. Going to Vermont this weekend with my girlfriend, so that's pretty exciting for our little anniversary, so we're going to celebrate that. Socks and underwear in this packing cube. I find that packing cubes work in like a carry-on situation. Like this backpack can be doubled as like a carry-on type thing. In some situations, like packing cubes for this kind of backpack where it's like just one whole opening and you have to kind of reach, it doesn't really work as well. I feel like it doesn't pack down as good. I have 3 pairs of pants. They're all cargos. So one bathing suit because the hotel has a pool, and you know, maybe after a long day of like hiking and exploring, maybe we want to come back to the hotel and go in the pool. Then I have 4 shirts, 1 for sleeping, 3 for during the day. Should be enough shirts. And then socks and underwear, all that stuff. Kind of like a puzzle piece, you know, very simultaneously, very together. All of my super essentials in here, which I did a video on. So if you want to go check out that video, it'll be linked somewhere. I have all my essentials in here. Obviously my iPhone charger, because it charges that camera as well as my phone. So it's a double charging, and then I also always bring a deck of cards. But yeah, they're nice and waterproof, so you can bring them in any kind of condition and they'll be just how they were when you open them up. This bag is from BagSmart. I have a coupon code for 10% off for them, so link is in my description. Quick access. Yeah, I have a whole review on this bag. There's like pockets here. There's literally pockets everywhere. So I'm trying to update my drone because it hasn't worked for a while, and trying to download my stuff off the SD card. Okay, Haley, we are starting the adventure to Vermont.
Yay! Then at the next one, turn right.
So basically the situation is Haley just got out of work. Currently it's 4:35. She just expressed to me that we could take the tollway, which takes about like 5 hours or so, which would be, we would have to go through the Bronx in New York, which I've had experience in. God, it's probably going to be even worse with rush hour. So we're deciding to go the long way around. So we're going to probably get there at like 11 p.m. But I drank some caffeine at 3, so I should be set. Honestly, if you need me to drive at night, I should be good. We're probably going to stop at Subway for dinner, because coupons and gift cards, you know, the usual stuff. I'm excited though. Basically this adventure started because we're just trying to check off all of the states in the US. We're both very close to finishing all of the states in the US. I have a little bit more to go, but I'm excited.
Abraham was scared to die, forsook his wife within a lie. I think I know the reasons why, 'cause he was made of dirt. And Joseph's coat was full of pride. The blood of goats won't wash you white. If I was his brother,
okay, little update. We got food. Here we got Starbucks. We're gonna go try to get gas real quick, and we're probably going to be arriving at the hotel at 12 a.m. in the morning because we're having fun. This is fun. This is a road trip. Right, Hills? She has a big fat burrito, and I don't know how she's gonna eat it in the car. Rainbow!
Double rainbows.
It's a double rainbow. This is Haley's unfortunate burrito event again. It has managed to spill all over the floorboard, and also it is on my pants, it's on her pants.
I would like to speak. In my defense, they were supposed to double wrap it.
They did not.
And he asked for a second burrito, and then he just didn't wrap it all the way and gave it to me.
Because no one gave him
The burrito.
the second wrap.
It was terrible.
So, yeah, it was a line, it was very busy. But we have food at least, so.
Moses never entered in to lands he thought were promised him. He took his people.
So we're somewhere in New York right now. This gas station does not have a bathroom. We broke the pump. Haley's mad. She's probably hangry. How are you feeling right now? You're probably hangry, aren't you?
My burrito fell apart.
Okay.
Pick manna from the dirt.
Then take the
And Solomon became
So,
so
we have made it to where we are staying. I'm not laughing at you. This is the place where we're staying right now. In Eckno Lodge. Which I think a Super 8 would be nicer than this hotel. Motel? It's like a motel. Anyway. I guess we'll see.
Hi. Here to check in.
Sure.
Why do you laugh?
I'm not laughing.
This is where we always stay.
This is what do you mean this is where we always stay?
We always do.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Do our lights not even work? Oh, fuck. Oh, it smells like cigarettes in here.
I don't think our lights work.
Oh. Okay. It smells like cigarettes. I love. Can we?
You fine?
You're sleeping in that bed because your shoes are on the bed.
Are you fine?
Yeah, I mean, you know, it's what you get when you pay $79 a night. This is the cheap adventure, right, Els?
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong?
You always get mad at me.
For what?
You hate my hotels because you grew up very different than me. I tell you the idea of where we're gonna stay, and you say yes, and then we get here and you get mad.
I think a Motel 8 is better. Super 8. Look at this chair, Hales. Do you see this thing? Yo, that is
You can stay somewhere else.
as long as, you know, your car's safe and the door locks and the outlets work, I'll be right. Well, the shower doesn't look too bad. Maybe I should put my sticker on here. What are you talking about? There's a sticker on the window.
Do not put your sticker in there. Put it in a better
Oh,
spot.
there's a nice little bug on the... Yeah.
Will you kill it, please?
I'd reckon you kill it. Take my shoe. This place is well loved, baby. It just Haley's on the hotline.
Hi, my name is Haley, and I just checked into my
booked
hotel
with
that
Hotline.
I booked, and I normally don't complain, but it is absolutely like disgusting. There's dead bugs in here. There's hair all over the sheets. Like the lights don't work, and I was just wondering if there's anything I can do to get to stay at a different hotel.
So we're trying to
Thank you.
we're trying to get out.
Yes, 4.
This is
9,
the issue.
8, 4. Okay, thank you.
What did he say you can do?
He's transferring me to the person who can help.
Okay. It's like 11 o'clock right now, and we're trying really hard not to stay here, and hopefully we don't have to pay for the night, because this is like pretty bad. The worst motel I've ever been in my life. I don't think this is the worst one for Haley. I think she's been worse, but for me, this is definitely it. Okay, so I was about to wash my hands, and the shampoo is already used. You can tell by the level in the bottle.
Hooters Hotel still has this one beep.
Well,
so you know.
I'm not staying in a Hooters hotel. What is
Maybe
that?
Maybe it's
What is that? The fact that the chair looks like this is just like I don't even want to sit down.
So we just got a refund for how much money? For $294. We can stay here for $278, or we can stay here for $504.
I mean, do we have to stay till Monday? Like, do we have to stay 3 nights?
I also can just literally book one night for now.
Yeah.
Just book one night.
Cause yeah.
See how we're feeling. See what's up.
Yeah. I mean, do they have breakfast or anything?
They're supposed to.
Yeah, just
Let's
book.
just book one night.
Yeah, yeah.
Part of Vermont or something, or
Yeah.
go to Connecticut and see Tony, whatever. You
No,
know what I
we
mean?
already drove this way though. I'd rather sleep in your car than anything else. We'll
No,
go to the
we're
Y or
we're gonna
something for
stay
shower.
somewhere. We can do a 2.5 star, the Travelodge for.
This is attempt number 2 at trying to find a hotel. A hotel room. It's 11. It's 11:31.
It does look better.
This one does look better, guys. It looks cute. Okay. Oh, they have apple cinnamon. I'm taking this.
Hi, I'm trying to check into my room. Better.
Still smells like smoke, but
It's better.
it's a little bit more doable.
It's a lot better.
Okay. The couch doesn't look that bad.
Okay. Where'd you put my tampons? Because I'm bleeding through.
Okay. This is definitely a lot more doable here. Okay. Yeah. The other one we could have gotten murdered in. We definitely, yeah. Okay, so I think we're gonna call it a night here. We've only booked it for one night, so we're gonna go tomorrow, do the stuff, and then I might text my uncle to see if I could stay with him in Connecticut. And then we might just go back home on Sunday. Because this hotel is kind of low-key be expensive if we stayed here like 3 nights. I don't know. We're gonna go to bed though. It's damn well midnight. So
There's not enough to do where we are that we need to stay longer than a day or two.
yeah, it's just a cut.